Box cover, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, Burritos. Welcome to the final DuttyBerry Top 10 social media countdown of 2016. Woo! Yeah. But because it is the final episode, I'm not gonna do a top 10. I'm going to make it a top 20 countdown. Cool, man. So, here we are. Let the countdown begin. Number 20, me love my fatty. Migungo. So as you know, Jamaican men love them strong body woman. You know, the fluffy something there. Since the song ya, and the song ya, there really hasn't been any, so the fluffy girl them kinda did feel left out. And then there came Style X.
Fatty will look like Miss Kitty. You want see the breast, them me full, them a icky. The fatty clean and pretty. Says she want carry me go New York City.
The man just stay out of studio and rinse him lyrics, somebody see it and record it, post it up online, and then bam, it turned one viral hit. The song bust the man do interviews all over, all reach on stage, and now there's an official video feed. Take a look.
Me love my fatty. Pie.
People, the song shell. Number 19, Charlie Black goes platinum. It's Charlie. Whoa. So Mr. Single Party Animal has officially gone diamond. No, round of applause for that, round of applause. That I mean it has sold over 10 million copies worldwide. Whoa. Right about now, it look like Charlie Black take a little page out of Omi book. Recycle a long time song and make it on a Billboard hit.
Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader.
Cause Party Animal released from 20 bucks for 13 and just since this year it had on Billboard hit.
Wind up on my body, girl. Wind up like a carnival.
And the same thing reach him single bike back.
Cock up your big bumper on the bike back. Bumper ready for the RR bike back.
No man Charlie, I used to delay take long for ready hits. You see any song we see released right now, just give him until like 2020 before it busts. Number 18, Trini Vlogger. Box cover. So there is a Trinidadian vlogger by the name of Certified Samson, and I tell you, he real funny, real bad. That was such an awful Trinidadian impression. Really, Barry?
What you doing, Mr. Man?
I'm using the remote to turn you on.
I look like any flicking TV?
It's a joke.
But with the mother condensed milk. Me don't want know nothing about joke. You know what? Take that same remote, find a job, turn on some money, bring some money for me, but you ball but turn me on. You broke ass shit.
Number 17, Snow in J.A. My phrase, my clause, my sentence, my full stop. Jamaican people never cease to amaze me. So them young people here, they want dance and are decided to bring Snow to Jamaica. The brother say overhead Snow to Boxfoot. Catch there, synchronized skiing. Pull up! Number 16, only Kaleido. So dancehall artist Kaleido, Mr. Back it up and make it up, and Mr.
Personally.
Posted a video online on his Instagram page of some kids dancing to one of his recent singles. And as it turns out, some of his fans were not pleased, not the Boxfoot. Most of them suggested that it was inappropriate behavior for minors wearing a school uniform. But Kaleido maintained that he never seen a problem with it because it was quite normal and this is what teenagers do. But hear me say, as much as that is something what teenagers do, you are the person who did mess up because it was very inappropriate for you as the artist to put a video and highlight the school in such a quote-unquote negative way where they pin them a cuss bad and a skin out. Number 15, NMIA crash. You ever hear about a car crash on an airport?
Nah.
Neither me. But then, this happened. At first thought when I see this picture on Instagram, I did have to wonder how the Boxfoot did this or happen. How? I saw them could have late for them flight. Them take soaring to new heights on a whole nother level.
Way too early for this shit. Just reach a record, see it.
So the story that I hear is that there was a driver for the car, but the driver got inside of the airport for to handle some business. When him left one little pitney in there, two people in there, one teenager and somebody else. So then police come and must ask for the car for go move. And guess what the teenager had decided to do? Now move the car himself and know him can't drive. and launched the vehicle and it went straight into the glass at the airport door. Number 14, Disney artist J.A. Yo! 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 If these meme makers haggle one more time. So in the US, people started making memes of their favorite US artists, basically doing the legendary Disney promo.
And you're watching Disney Channel.
So you just know that Jamaicans had to run in on the trends. They did memes of a host of dancehall artists, including Vybz Kartel.
So me I say, you know this is Vybz Kartel. You know you never watched nothing like this before, gal. Body no cranny. Disney. Why was so like a careless girl?
Alkaline.
Careful.
Alcadisino, aka Vendetta, and a Disney this. Believe me like how you did believe me, I.
Immunity, Smartames was at 2016.
Tanto Blocks.
It's Tanamane, Twitter. It is your boy Real Rich from the balcony. Teeth them white like a chalk. And this is Disney.
Number 13, you deaf? Megungo. You ever hear the expression, hold that heart? Well, this little youth when me about to show you, elderly to him soul. So I guess that this man was going around promoting his party when he book up this little youth and decide, say, you know, I'm going to give him an invite. You know, just out of fun.
I don't know.
Me I go somewhere, man. Me I got a party.
You come?
Yeah.
More you coming, sir?
Yeah, man. Let me not tell you.
No, man, the little boy have the little country grandfather, raspy, cold, sore throat, something there in him vice. So the brother repeatedly asked the little youth if he's going to go forward at the party. The little boy have to ask him.
Yeah, deaf.
No, we're not deaf.
Well, you ask me every time, so.
Come here, no for serious.
Me a come.
Give him 2 years time and he reach by Ilang Gully ride. Number 12, jump off ladder. My word, my sentence, me exclamation point. Or is it Mark? Right about now, if you got dance and you know the gymnastics mixed with little acrobatics, you not say nothing. Watch this. Him friend support TV. No man, I must airport security I go through make him a strip so. Murder! Flatline!
Literally.
No man, the girl they're wicked. The man shames until him take him hand and turn pillow. I bet you say him never box foot jump again. Number 11, hairdresser, fight. So them two ladies here, they are hairdresser and decide to go in a one big tracing match. One a record on her phone and the other one in the background of course.
Don't put it away. I don't move on a blood class. Yeah, man. Steph, you can't this.
What? Bad so?
Call it ready. Steph. Don't call me name on the phone. Don't call me name on the phone. That me make you know. Can me box the phone out of your hand and understand? Steph, you can't box the phone out of my hand. Alright, call me name again, Steph.
No, me I beg you, don't call her name.
Call me name again, Steph.
And now for tonight's viewer's question. Do you think that Steph boxed the phone out of her hand? Tweet us online in the comment section at gmail.com.
Me popper! No man, hang up. And now for the random video of the week. Number 10, Young Stars get Grammy nomination. Mibula Breadfoot, Devin the Doctor, the 2015 winner of the Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall. And Jail, the 2014 first runner-up in Rising Stars. Are now Grammy-nominated artists in the Best Reggae Album category. No man, round of applause for that, round of applause for that, big up. These are two youths under the age of 24 who just gonna start them professional music career and them achieve this already? Proud of them.
Probably you never heard of we.
Oh yes, somebody.
And the nomination is for the album Sly and Robbie Presents Reggae for Her. So you see, because everybody already get Devin the Doctor's reaction to the nomination, I say, alright, I'm gonna step out and go try to get some feedback from JL.
Come to the Caribbean, on my scooter, you are the pillion. Or go on Jamaica, jail attack. When we find out that we were nominated for the Grammys, we can't even really explain how we did feel. Because it did almost feel so surreal where we end up have to go outside and check if the weather will, because I'm in Canada now and the weather is like -3, so I end up go outside in a just one short sleeve I'm realized the place cool, so I know it's actually true, so reality me and I say I'm nominated for something like that. I never imagined that because we used to talk about it at high school and then it finally come to reality. The biggest message we can get to the youth them is believe in yourself, because unless you believe in yourself, people now gonna see something in you what them can use.
Number 9, CVM TV, family fight. You know what? I not even know what to say about the Boxfoot story. Sir. Anyway, let's get to it. So in a nutshell, a mother and a daughter they at the airport and buck up the father with him new girlfriend, and the whole of them just start fight.
But the police report that the woman seen in a tussle and bloodied at this point is the man's daughter, and the other female in black is his estranged wife. The lady in pink appeared to have accompanied the man to the airport.
My gosh!
As the daughter will need medical attention, as will her father, whose finger she literally chewed off.
Me gongo peas!
While at the airport, the mother and daughter approached the man and asked questions which led to him allegedly hitting his estranged wife.
Boy, I not even know if it's right about now. Number 8, the one bag of killing of women in Jamaica. Now, let me just say this plain and simple. I do not know what is going on lately, but this one bag of domestic cases of, men just abuse them woman to death, it need to stop. I don't know why men can't find a way for better handle stressful situations other than for say, yo, them go and kill the woman and then kill themselves. And then leave the pit them for a grow up, without a mother and a father in the home. That can't right. All old man people are going to place a rob and a rape. I never know if I say, all me gonna say, just men, do better. Number 7, Caribbean parents be like. Miss Entertable. The social media comedian Owen Bryan creates some very hilarious videos focusing on Caribbean culture. And he have a particular thing about this Caribbean grandmother or mother vice. Anytime I'm going there, I just start laugh same time.
Owen! Yeah. Come here, look a bit more and fix up on the phone for me. Yeah, man. Me want to take a look at email something off of my screen. Let me see your phone. No, me no want you to do it. Just show me why you to show me so I can do it myself next time. You got to hold it down and then slide it up. So make you have to go on, sir. Go on like what? You know, Owen, it's alright though. You said me didn't know what me did not do. Me would have bother you? Father God. Call Owen. They help me take off me look at him and something off my screen. Owen come in our room. Face phone up. Hand long like mongrel dog. Christ. People out the road treat me better than for me when I pick the them. My God.
That's a same way them going for true. Number 6, line little boy. You know like how you can just have some people where old before them young and force ripe? Siwania.
And I don't make one person. And then police they like cockroach. And then sure.
Oh, I see.
When the police stop me and ask me for my life. Now to beg the police and the police say, please police, now book my girlfriend and I got the beach for my girlfriend and I was chilling up. But when we realize it, police give me a chance.
Zine, so you did a drive, what am afterwards?
You know that we at the beach with my girlfriend. The girlfriend kiss me up.
What?
Yeah.
You get kiss up?
Yeah, I rub my back.
What?
Yeah, man.
Where you going?
Yeah, man. Rub me up.
Yeah.
No, sir, you are dangerous.
Drink some rum. I'm showing my friend the rum.
Yeah. You drink some what?
Rum.
What kind of rum?
Any kind of red stripe.
Red stripe and a rum. Red stripe beer.
Yeah, beer, but I love beer.
Jano.
You drunk in that place?
Yeah.
And you drive?
We're not driving them time.
Well, at least him know say him know for drink and drive.
We're gonna make some money, so we will get that, see?
No man, it's a pity like them there, we say they got prison for life. Number 5, Gully Bop's new look. Machine spread. Me see it clear, you have been MIA for a while now, but me just know say you were just investing in yourself. You and Amari broke up and now you have a brand new image. What? This is Gully Bop before.
Every girl want to walk off on me, yeah.
And now like TVJ, just look at him now.
There can be miracles.
The man cut the hair and the braid and now it look like say him ready for Heineken Star Time. This is the ultimate dub challenge. All you need for do now is just multiply the teen situation and 2017 no good again. Number 4, the 1 foot man. So Charlie Black's the St. Vincent are perform with some of the baddest Jamaican dancehall girls them like Renee 630, Cher and dancehall queen Nikisha. And then at one point, a brother with only one leg, yes, one dege leg, was brought on stage to share the space with the dancers. The brother crutches connect are fired like phone to free Wi-Fi. Till Renee have to say, not a box foot, ball cree and cut. Then the dancers them formed a daggering circle. Him just a tick him way around like one of them old country clock. The Keisha! The scripture reading. Wow. The brother 630, Renee 630. Profound. Bravo. The way the brother move, it come like say him not even need a third leg. The one foot I serve him quite fine. Number 3, Bella Blair versus DyDy. Boy, oh boy, I don't even know where to start with this story. But anyway, so let me just commence today's reading from Genesis. So Bella is a former Rising Stars contestant that posts funny videos online.
What is a connection? It's like tap off in a some.
DyDy is pretty much a newcomer to the social media scene. She posts funny videos online as well.
You know you're the shit, boy, just hold me and don't let me run. I know this ain't what you used to. Pineapple for the boom.
And is known for her pineapple for the Zoom Zoom movement.
Where this pineapple thing come from?
So anyway, let's get to the mix-up part. So in the middle of the Christmas season, Bella went ahead and go post this video on her Instagram page.
But yesterday some man a class girl with thinking crutches and I couldn't even send her on because somehow another said
oh.
And then I don't have this thing when I eat pineapple and I drink whole heap of pineapple juice, I eat pineapple. Say it I got curious thinking crutches. It's not curious thinking crutches. Cause when you have stinking crutches and you have pineapple, where you get? Pineapple stinking crutches.
And where you not say?
Where pineapple I go? Pineapple not cure your girl. It not doing nothing.
Okay then. So same time right as she post the video, people start to comment. I mean alone pre-say I shade share through after DyDy. So before we could even wipe little matter out of my eye, a DyDy that I see running from Bella post and go leave a comment on her Instagram. And she basically said, so she normally tap the camera. Hey, but she have a pint though. She have a pint. But, oh no. That the little stush regal approach they never last long. Because before Lata could have draw, DyDy went on fear Instagram and posted this.
You see, anyhow, people take time out of their day to acknowledge your presence. The or the man is a fan. And so them feelings hurt because the man probably say, listen, you know, here what DyDy say pineapple for the pum pum. So because the man drop it on them because baby girl tastes sour. She getting her feelings. And I eat that. Don't get in her feelings. Just drink the pineapple juice, baby. Accept it. Accept it.
Oh, the shade. So then before me could have even replay DyDy video good, Miss posted this on fear page.
About when you hear you're supposed to be beefing with somebody that's irrelevant. She said y'all don't f each other like y'all beefing. I'm sorry, beef? What's beef? Is it like money? No, bitch. Well, she better get the fuck on.
Let there be peace on earth. But just to understand what the fuss for. If pineapple work for DyDy Zoom Zoom and cranberry work for Bella Blair Zoom Zoom, then not just call it a day and make a blended fruit punch. There's enough space for everybody.
I have berries. Berries is also for the vagina. Berries.
Number 2, Maka wigless. Miss Money-o. Me just start to call you like the female ninja man. Because you see, every December, you just find a way for sting or get stung.
Do me something, girl.
So anyway, Maka they want stage show, I do her little thing and I perform zine. She hard decided that she was going to draw for a little man for go dance with. She end up a roping the MC. Him say crop top and belly skin. Before the cow food could have even done season, this happened. Yo! Scooby! Away! Maka tried to run for cover and not even a Hanin was close by. What she gonna do ya now? Maka just fling down the wig and continue to work the stage in full. Oh my life, I had to fight. Fashion. Anywho, you see, because my things start to turn up, I was able to secure one like an interview with Maka, and this is what she had to say about the incident.
I turn around and said, I'm going to just back it up on him, you know. I just feel, oh my God. I mean, it's not even the first time that has ever happened to me.
Oh, it's not the first?
No,
Okay.
I remember I was on a US tour and I had a leg of a show with Capleton in Connecticut, and I stopped one night and I was trying the dirty wine and the dirty wine thing and go fly.
And number one goes to Plastic Rice. Plastic Rice. People in all my years span this earth, me never think some would have lived to see them type of corruption here in my potential Sunday dinner. So from what I hear, videos of Asians creating this thing called plastic rice has been making the rounds on Facebook. Then the time of the day, Jamaicans just there say, "Cha, I find something that we nah fake we." But me what not, lo and behold, it are reached Jamaica. Cause you just know say it legit when they make the local news.
Now the complaints have reached home.
So I saw it on Facebook and I never knew it was this serious. I never took it serious at all. Until this morning my neighbor wake me up out of my bed to come and show us all of this.
Her neighbor says she went about preparing her Sunday dinner this morning, but found that the rice in her pot didn't feel like it usually does.
You see, since then, every Chinese restaurant get the side eye. And you see who got a restaurant them stop by the rice. A strictly low meng, them a order. Or them still go and end up a cuss off the Chinese owners them like this.
Miss, you ever cook rice and it turn this yet? Why? You talk too much. You chat too How are you feel like?
Boy, oh boy, if only we could have get Miss Lickly in this. Where I go? Casco mackerel and plastic rice. Personally, me not really too understand why Jamaicans so upset and vexed over the whole plastic rice situation. Because we have been tasting plastic rice throughout the history of our culture. As while me not too in the kitchen cooking something, and enough time me pass kitchen and see something I look like this, or this, pan top of the rice in the pot I cook. And this them get the idea from. Well, that is it, Burritos. Thank you so much for watching the social media countdown. This is the 20 things me giving you, so you can't complain. It is the final social media countdown of 2016. Happy New Year's, Merry Christmas. I hope that you don't enjoy the time. Thank you so much for riding with me through the entire year. I love you so much, Burritos. This video is actually dedicated to a dear friend of mine, Scarlett Bihar, who passed away sometime earlier, and I didn't really get to address it, but yeah, she's just somebody who came into my life and she added some value. I know she's no longer with us, but yeah, may her soul rest in peace. Big up to everyone who is a burrito. Make sure that you like, you share, you subscribe, and you comment. Please comment. You see the last quote down that I did, I received over 1,000 comments. Now I'm going for like 2,000, 3,000 because I know you're watching and I want the support. So just make sure that you leave a comment and share the video. Alright, take care and all the best in 2017.